can agree on that. We can also agree that Geico's longevity is likely due to the fact that they treat people right, like how they're always around when you need them, with 24/7 access to licensed agents.
An extra pinky toe gives you 24/7 access to discomfort.
True words. I imagine Geico will be around for another 75 years if they keep giving people military and federal discounts.
A surplus pinky toe couldn't help you with any of that. It'd be too busy making your shoes fit all weird.
Geico. You can get legendary savings and more at geico.com, over the phone, or at your local office.
Log on to Wicked Dash Deals right now and sign up for our Early Alert email club. Be the first to know about upcoming deals and secret promo codes only available to wicked-deals.com email club members. Now you can print gift certificates on demand, so no waiting. Buy, save, print, and go. Discounted gift certificates to restaurants, spas, concerts, attractions, and more. Join the thousands who already know the best place to get the best deals in Southern New England. The Wicked Dash Deals Early Alert email club. Sign up at wicked-deals.com.
B101 is WWBB and WWBB HD1 Providence. Online at B101.com. On your phone with the iHeartRadio app. And on hundreds of devices like Alexa, Google Home, Xbox, and Sonos. An iHeart radio station.
The iHeartRadio app now has over 300,000 of the best podcasts from around the globe, making us #1 for podcasts, but making it super easy for you to find what you're looking for. Dive into just about anything.
It's effortless, man.
It's the best way to find new podcasts.